So I just got out of school, which, as you can see, I'm in the car still. And yeah, this is my backpack, if you never saw it before. Okay, so let's get started. Let's do the front little case first. Let's see what I have in here. I have an Eagle Bill. We do Eagle Bills at my my school. So yeah. And I have a patch. Oh, it's upside down. This is the patch. Put it on your pants, shirt, a necklace. I don't know why I have this in here, but yeah. And let's see what else do I have a lollipop, and I have my cool fidget spinner. So yeah, let's do the other. So I got this book from the library, and it's called Deep Water, and it's a really cool book. Really cool. And I think that's about, I think I did both of those cases. Now one more case. I have my snack from earlier. I still have some in here. I have my water bottle. I have my dictionary, which I always need because it's in my dictionary, so I'll always need that for school. I have my red folder in here and my blue folder in here, and yeah, I think that's it, everybody. So I hope you guys had a good day. So bye.